US remove COVID-19 test requirement for international travel. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Biden administration is lifting its requirement that international air travelers to the U.S. take a COVID-19 test within a day before boarding their flights, easing one of the last remaining government mandates meant to contain the spread of the COVID-19 virus. A senior administration official said that the mandate expires on Sunday at 12:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, saying that the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has determined that it's no longer necessary. The Biden administration put into place testing requirements last year as it moved away from restrictions that bans non-essential travel from several dozen countries, most of Europe, China, Brazil, South Africa, India, and Iran, and instead focusing on classifying individuals by the risk they pose to others. It came in conjunction with the requirement that foreign and non-immigrant adults traveling to the United States need to fully vaccinated with only limited exception. The initial mandate allowed those who were fully vaccinated to show proof of a negative COVID-19 test within 3 days of travel, while vaccinated people had to present a test taken within 1 day of travel. In November, as the highly transmissible Omicron variant swept across the world, the Biden administration tightened the requirements and required that all travelers, regardless of vaccination status, to be tested within a day of travel to the United States. Airline and tourism groups have been pressing the administration for months to eliminate the testing requirement, saying it is discouraging people from booking international trips. Many other countries have lifted their testing requirement for fully vaccinated and boosters travelers in a bid to increase tourism. The lifting of the requirements comes 6 weeks after the federal judge ended the CDC's mask requirement for mass transit, including trains, planes, buses, and transit hubs, saying that the agency exceeded its authority. The Biden administration is appealing that ruling, saying that it aims to protect the CDC's ability to respond to future health emergencies. The official said that the CDC will continue to recommend COVID-19 testing prior to air travel of any kind as a safety precaution. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.